What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to go over how you can start making money this week with absolutely no money. And this is not going to be like any of the affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, Amazon. It's not going to be any of the methods we normally discuss on this channel. This is an actual method that you can start implementing today, and you don't have to have any money to do it. But before we get into it, if you're new here, as always, we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online on this channel. And if you could do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and please smash that like button just to help the algorithm and help me out to help keep creating content like this for you beautiful people. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer, and I want to show you how you can start making money as soon as today and hopefully as soon as this week, so you start having money coming in, so you can start investing in yourself and starting that affiliate marketing or e-commerce journey that you're interested in. But so as you can see here on the computer, we are just sitting in Google. So what I want you to do is go over to a website called Craigslist. I'm sure most of you have heard of it. Craigslist.org. You want to make sure you're in your local area, like Los Angeles, California, wherever you reside at. You want to look at wherever you're at, and then you just want to make sure that's there or within a certain vicinity of there. And so this method, I'm going to show you two different ways. So the very first method I want to show you is coming over here to the for sale section and going to the free section. And this is a good way for you to find products that you can start selling and making money on as soon as today. So what I like to recommend, and this is a real business, guys, like don't think this isn't, this is a real thing. It's a great way to get started. I used to do this when I used to flip products. I would find products for a low cost and then I would resell them for a higher cost. Go pick these products up. So come through here, find products that you think are of value. From my personal experience, couches, like sectional couches and mattresses are actually really good. Most people don't even know that mattresses sell really well. And then mattresses, couches, furniture, stuff like that will sell very well from my experience. So like look, this free couch must go. And you might be asking why people would want to get rid of their couch for free. Well, a lot of people don't have the means of moving it. A lot of people don't have the desire to list it for sale. And this one that says must go, they may be moving out of their apartment and it's the last day and they have to vacate their apartment or whatever it may be, and they need somebody to come get the furniture. They don't have time to move it. They don't have moving trucks. They don't have storage, stuff like that. So what you need to do is go find products and then bring them back to your place of residence or a storage unit and clean them up and then relist them for sale. And I'll show you how to do that. But come in here, browse the free section. Like I said, furniture, you see this is a nice desk right here, a nice IKEA table for free. The couches, if they look good and you think you could resell them, the sectional right here, free. Leather sectionals are good. You see it doesn't look torn, which is definitely good. And leather is easy to clean, which is easier to sell as well. It has a higher demand. Free HP laser printer. I don't know if I'd pick it up. It's free, so if it's free, I'd pick it up. But electronics tend to have issues sometimes, so if you sell it, you might run into an issue if it does have a problem. But like, look at that sectional. The outdoor sectional is phenomenal. So many people would love an outdoor sectional, and imagine if it was free. So I would hop on that. I would go pick this up for free. I would bring it back home or bring it back to a storage facility. But right now, for the sake of this video, you want to do something completely free. You don't have a storage facility. And it's a wicker outdoor sectional. It's the lightest piece of furniture ever. You could go pick this up all by yourself, bring it home, clean the furniture up, make it look nice, and then you're going to want to relist it for sale. And the best place for you to relist products for sale is going to be, look, there's another sectional here that looks torn over there, but if this chase right here is good and that is good, then you could sell it. You could sell these two portions of it. Just pick it up for free. That rocking horse is probably actually worth some money too. Child's rocking horse, that would be amazing to pick up. Small IKEA couches, you just see there's so much potential. So now after you find the products that you want to sell, you're going to want to jump over to your Facebook account, and on the left hand side where it says see more, you're going to want to scroll down to marketplace and click marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you could actually, let's keep this simple, hit create new listing. And I'm not going to walk you through the steps. I'm sure you could read. Choose a listing type. You're going to click item for sale, and it's going to give you a preview. On the left hand side, it's going to tell you exactly what to do. Add photos, what do you want to title it, the price, the category. And when you title it, categories will pre-populate and stuff like that. The condition, it's used, but it's in good condition. And then just type a quick description, and then you'll be able to, once you submit it, you'll be able to submit it to Facebook Marketplace, along with up to 20 additional Facebook groups that you're associated with in your vicinity. If not, you could always join those Facebook groups. It'll kind of give you a recommendation. But now let's take a step back real quick. And right here where it says Marketplace, you could actually type the word in free again, and maybe you'll find free stuff on here. I'm not saying you always will, because most people sell on here, but there's stuff for free. I don't know, maybe check your location, Furniture Morse. Some people may have stuff for free, some may be listed. But it's a way for you to look for stuff for free. $20 recliner, $150 couch. This is free at $300, whatever. But sometimes you can find products for free on here as well. Now, once you start making a little bit of money, and you don't only need free items, but depending where you live, you may have enough free items local to you that you could pick up. But if you don't, the next option would be to go right back to the Craigslist, is you're going to want to search Craigslist. So you can do this in multiple different ways. Like I said, I like furniture, so I'll show you guys some furniture. But as I was growing up, I always liked flipping stuff in the motors, like street bikes. I had street bikes, four-wheelers, and dirt bikes, because I was into motocross. So I always liked action sports stuff as well. So let's just go to furniture. I'll show you that as well. But like once you start to make a little money, you could buy products instead of just looking for free products. Because now if you're paying money for a product, they're more likely in better condition, or the person assumes they're in better condition and they were willing to list it for 10, 15, 20, 50, $100. These products will be underpriced. What you want to pick up is people that have undervalued products. So you come look through here, see if you think something is listed undervalued, and then see if you are interested in picking it up. And the longer you do this, the more you'll get an understanding of what sells better and what doesn't. But as long as everything's going to make you a profit, then it's no concern. So like I clicked furniture. You could either browse through the furniture and just see what there is, or you could type something in. So let's just, for example, let's type in, I told you mattresses really do sell well. And a lot of people don't know that, because a lot of people are like, who wants to buy a used mattress? But in reality, mattresses cost $1,000, $1,500, like a mattress and a box spring. So you could pick them up relatively cheap and sell them for more. I usually would recommend picking up a mattress for free and selling it, because most people don't list them for sale. So I've picked up mattresses like best mattress, full mattress, clean. Oh, it's a full mattress for $25. I like to do queen size mattresses or king size mattresses, because they tend to seem to sell. But you could search in here, queen size bed and mattress complete, $0. So it was probably listed. So that's another thing, guys. Some people don't list their products for free under the free category. You could also go type the word free in. You could type the word ASAP in. You could go type the word gone. So like in the search bar, we could type need gone, or just look for, see, need gone tomorrow. So people that have those keywords, they're looking to move. Like, let's try ASAP. ASAP. And then you see moving ASAP. So people are literally moving and they need furniture gone. Must go ASAP. Chafes, sofa, and table. Look at that right there. A sofa and a table. They have it listed for $50. They need it gone. They'd probably take 20. They'd probably take 40. But even if you're willing to pay 50, that is a good price for that. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I would pay $50 for that, and somebody would pay $150 or $200 for that. So that's definitely worth looking up or looking at getting into. You can see more sectionals down here, and always don't be afraid of the price. You can always negotiate a price. Obviously, if it's like $850, I maybe wouldn't try to negotiate with them. But queen headboard and frame for $50. Dude, headboards and frames cost hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. Like, you could literally pick this stuff up, and it shouldn't take you, most of the stuff, just pick up stuff that you could pick up by yourself if you don't have somebody to help you. Look for light stuff, like a headboard and a frame is light. If you take it apart, you can put it in the bed of a truck. A lot of this stuff is easily able to be picked up all by yourself. So pick the furniture up, clean it, and take it home. And like I said, I always liked going into, like, you could also search the Craigslist bar instead of actually going down into a specific niche. You could type the word free here, see what pops up. A bunch of other stuff will pop up, like everything you could think of. That's why I like to narrow it down to the categories I like. And you'll learn the more you do it, what categories sell the best. And I was, like I said, I was always into motocross. So let's just type YZ250F. That's a dirt bike, right? I used to flip dirt bikes and stuff because the higher end products or stuff that cost more, obviously you have more room for negotiation, and then you also have more room for profits. But the problem with products like these is these have motors. They could have problems. So it's riskier. I say it's definitely riskier, but it was something like this is $1,000. Oh no, they want the dirt bike. So that's a big difference between wanted and selling. So it's what I used to do. But again, just go in here. Furniture is always good. It's not electronic. It's not motorized. Nothing like that. You can literally type in sectional and find something. Nothing. I spelled it wrong. Sectional. And in fact, I know Ryan Pineda. He wholesales houses. He has a great YouTube channel, great content, and he actually he has a video on flipping sectional couches. He used to do this side hustle as a full-time income or like a full-time. This was his first entrepreneurial journey. And he was making $8,000 a month selling couches. Even on some months, he was making upwards of $12,000. I will link to his video down in the description, so you could definitely go check it out. But he made a great six-figure living flipping furniture off of Craigslist or even maybe Facebook Marketplace. I think he got it mostly from Craigslist, but he would find furniture, couches, sectionals specifically, and then he also had multiple storage units. So if he found undervalued couches, he would just go pick them up, he would store them in a storage unit, he would clean them up, and he would relist them for sale. If somebody offers to buy it, then they would come look at it, and if they didn't like that one, he'd probably show them a different one. So there's definitely a lot of money. You could really build a big business out of this, or a sustainable business, a good business. And then if you want to branch out into other items or other niches, you can. But ultimately, if you're not wanting to do this for your full-time like career, business, or entrepreneurial journey, then you just do this as a little side hustle to start making money. Because I know a lot of people are like, man, I have $0 to start. What can I really do? You could really go to Craigslist, go to free products, go pick up free products, and then relist them. You could go to yard sales and you could go find products for very, very, very cheap and relist them. So, and then I'll make a whole different video on books, but you can pick books up and sell them on Amazon. But I'll make that for a different video. Pick these up for free, start making some money, and then reinvest into what you really want to do. Do you want to do e-commerce? Do you want to do affiliate marketing, which I absolutely love because it's totally passive? Do you want to start wholesaling houses like Ryan? What do you want to do? Use this to fund what you want to do. And this could just kind of run on autopilot. You got to think, once you put products, like you already have the products, you've already picked them up. Say you pick up, I don't know, 6 to 10 and you have a storage facility and they're sitting in there, and then you list them. If somebody reaches out to you and you sell, let's just say you sell 10 a month. What is that? Or 10 a month. That's an easy number. That's literally like 2.5 a week, 3 a week, 10 a month, and you make a $200 profit on each. That's $2,000 a month without much work. If you just picked up 10 on the beginning of the month, you listed them, and throughout the month, all 10 of them sold, you can make $2,000 per month. And then obviously the more you put in, the more work and more time you put in. This is a hustle. You really have to hustle for this business model, because you have to be on here. You got to look for stuff. You got to go negotiate deals, stuff like that. But it is a business, and it definitely can get you out from being stuck where you're probably at to where you kind of want to be or start to be. So I hope that definitely helped. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, please. And then smash that like button just to help this video get more views and help the algorithm, which helps me out. That way I can keep creating content just like this for all of you. And as always, that's going to wrap it up. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video. That's why you need to subscribe. I'll post another video tomorrow, and we'll see you then.